Why do we focus so much on what's wrong rather than what's right? This is a question that challenges many conventions in psychology, and it's where we'll begin our exploration of positive psychology. Psychology, for a very long time, has been preoccupied with pathology, an electronic search of psychological abstract since its inception in 1887 reveals a telling trend. There were 8,072 articles on anger, 57,800 on anxiety, and a staggering 7,856 on depression. Contrast this with the significantly smaller numbers associated with positive emotions: 851 abstracts on joy, 2,958 on happiness, and 5,701 on life satisfaction. This disparity showcases an overwhelming dominance of negative over positive emotions, with a ratio of 14:1. But was this always the case? Historically, psychology has not solely focused on the negative. Martin Seligman, a pioneer in positive psychology, noted that before World War II, psychology had three primary missions. The first was to cure mental illness, driven by the urgent need to address the severe impacts of mental disorders on individuals, families, and communities using scientific methods. The second mission was to identify and nurture genius and talent. The third, and often overlooked, mission was to make normal life more fulfilling. This mission extends beyond merely meeting immediate needs. It's about enhancing the quality of life. However, post-World War II, the focus sharply turned towards treating mental illnesses, with a view of humans as largely passive victims of repressed childhood impulses, environmental factors, or genetic predispositions. This shift led to a concentration on fixing what was deemed broken, be it brains, backgrounds, habits, or drives. In the process, psychology's broader missions, particularly the goal of enhancing everyday life, were sidelined. Positive psychology emerged as a response to this imbalance. It seeks to rediscover and emphasize the third mission, enhancing the fullness of living. It's not just about coping with life, but thriving in it. Positive psychology is a branch of psychology that focuses on the study of positive aspects of human life, such as happiness, well-being, and flourishing. Unlike traditional psychology, which often centers on dysfunction and abnormal behavior, positive psychology is concerned with enhancing the quality of life and uncovering the routes to a deeper sense of fulfillment. The applications of positive psychology are broad and impactful. In personal settings, it provides tools and techniques to help individuals increase their personal happiness and well-being. For example, through exercises like gratitude journals, strength identification, and fostering positive relationships, individuals learn to enhance their daily lives. In professional domains, positive psychology tech can improve workplace environments, boost morale, and increase productivity. In educational contexts, it emphasizes positive education, aiming to cultivate a thriving environment where students can develop their strengths and foster a love of learning. The importance of positive psychology lies in its transformative power. It not only helps individuals to cope with life's challenges, but also enables them to proactively contribute to their own happiness and to that of others. It shifts the focus from merely surviving to actively thriving. By studying what works in life, positive psychology adds a richness to psychological research and practical approaches that nurture peak experiences and high achievement. In this course, you're in for a practical journey through the realm of positive psychology. This isn't just another academic course filled with theories and detached data. Here on Udemy, we pride ourselves on taking a practical approach. We focus less on theory and more on actionable strategies that you can start using today. This course is designed to be hands-on, with activities, real-world applications, and interactive components that ensure you can apply what you learn directly to your life and work. Whether you're looking to enhance your personal well-being, boost your professional capabilities, or simply gain new insights into how to lead a fulfilling life, this course has much to offer. Get ready to explore the practical side of positive psychology, where you not only learn about the science behind happiness, but also how to put it into practice every day.
If you're finding this lesson valuable, you can take your expertise to the next level. Join over 27,000 students at the Institute of Professional Psychology and earn your professional certification in this field. Scan the QR code on your screen or click the link in the description to access the full curriculum, workbooks, and your accredited credential. Let's get back to the lesson.